Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 105 Montpelier Circle in Brighton.
This is a spectacular townhouse with a private backyard at an amazing value. So let's take a tour.
This is updated maintenance-free living with a great room featuring a gorgeous kitchen. With tongue and groove pine walls and ceiling, beautiful cabinetry, a tile backsplash, and a breakfast bar open to a dining area with a bay window. And a living area with cathedral ceilings, a wood-burning fireplace, hardwood floors, and patio access, plus a powder room and laundry. This home also features a finished lower level, great for additional living space, plus a second floor with a loft overlooking the great room, 2 spacious bedrooms, and 2 full bathrooms, including a master suite with cathedral ceilings and a walk-in closet.
Enjoy extra leisure time with maintenance-free living. Featuring an exceptional patio with beautiful landscaping and private nature views. In real estate, it's all about location, location, location. Brittany Commons is a spectacular community steps away from Buckland Park. And nearby College Town, a great place for shopping and dining. Adjacent to the University of Rochester. Here we are at the 12 corners of Brighton.
It has great restaurants, shops, and nearby Brighton schools. What a great place to live. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 105 Montpelier Circle in Brighton.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide. Cheers to living here!